Hey guys, this is Hector over here, Neessen Dodge. I'm just gonna talk a little bit about service today. Um, about one of the most important things that is damaging vehicles every single day without even people even knowing it. Today we're gonna get Alex from our service department, and he's gonna tell us a little bit about the service issues and stuff like that. Come on in, Alex.
Hello.
How you doing, Alex?
Good.
Good.
Yeah. How you
Okay,
doing?
I'm good.
Good.
Good. Did you listen to the first question we asked?
Uh-uh.
No. What's the most damaging things that people do to their vehicles right now without even knowing it?
Not changing air filters, not rotating tires, just simple stuff. Not wanting to do it.
Okay. All right, Alex. Introduce yourself.
My name's Alex Villarreal from here in Kingsville. I've been service advising here at Dodge for like 13 years, something like that. Long time. Lots of people know me here. I know a lot of the Kingsvillians. And yeah, what's up? What are we doing?
We're gonna ask you questions about the service department
Okay.
and get people understanding of
Oh man.
about their vehicles and stuff like that.
Okay.
So be honest. How many times a day do you have people tell you it just started making this sound?
All the time. Yeah.
the time?
Ever since I bought it, that's what they say. 4 years ago.
What's the most common mistake people say make on their vehicles? Sorry.
Honestly, probably just not wanting to rotate tires. Something as simple as that will cause the tires to wear unevenly, or not wanting to do alignments, just things like that. Wind up being expensive in the long run.
Okay, so what's one cheap fix that people ignore that comes back to hurt them financially?
A $20 tire rotation, a $40 air filter. Just the little things that'll prevent long-term expenses.
Perfect. What's the craziest situation you've seen come into the shop? Like something where you're just like, how did that even happen?
We had a customer call us after we changed their oil the next day, saying that we messed up their engine and they got it towed in and there was a cat in there. So it wasn't the oil change, guys. It was a cat.
Was it a cat?
Yeah.
Was it alive?
Didn't make it.
Didn't make it?
Nah.
You didn't take it to the vet?
No, it turned into three cats.
Oh. Phew. All right, rapid questions, Alex.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna do this real quick. Okay. Okay. So what? Don't think about it too hard.
Okay.
Okay.
I got
Thinking?
it. I got it.
2 + 2.
4.
Okay. Most important maintenance item.
Oil change. Change your oil. That's it.
Quickest fix people always surprise you by.
God.
3, 2.
Wiper blades? I don't know. Yeah. Next.
Describe your job in 3 words.
Fun. Rewarding. Food.
Okay. Best way to save money on your vehicle.
Take care of it. Do the maintenance. Take care of it.
Biggest tip for vehicle longevity.
Do your maintenance. That's it. You take care of the vehicle's going to take care of you. That's pretty much it.
Okay. This is Alex. He's basically one of the get-go guys that we go to all the time. My fleet guys, diesel guys, anything else, we like to go to Alex because he likes to take care of the situation quick and possible. The good turnaround for our fleet customers, our business customers, is basically trying to get the vehicle in and out. So Alex, these customers that are coming in, can you give them a brief when they're driving in? Where do they go? What do they do to get to your service department?
There's a sign that says enter. You drive right on in there.
There you go.
Especially when it's raining. It says enter. You drive right on in. Not where it says exit, where it says enter.
There you go. Don't worry about, hey, these guys are going to say, hey, get out of here, nothing. No, that's what it's for.
Just pull it in.
Just pull it in. He'll come out. He'll take the information of the vehicle, mileage, VIN number, and then bring you all in and then just write you all up. Okay, Alex. So, well, I'm going to just tell him, hey, Alex, what are the do's and don'ts when you're bringing in your vehicle?
Don't bring it in for service the day before you leave on vacation. In case we do find some stuff, that needs to be attended to. that could take some time, and kind of interfere with your vacation time. Maybe give us a week or so, beforehand.
All right.
Do come in and see us. Don't hesitate. Don't be nervous. Don't be embarrassed. A lot of people think, you're going to come in and we're going to charge you just for talking, to you. That's not true. I like talking to everybody. So please come in. You bring tacos. I'll talk to you extra long. Our goal is ultimately to make sure you guys leave happy and safely, in your vehicles that you drive your families around in.
Okay, guys, we joke around a lot here because basically we're here 12, 14 hours a day. We do really like helping our customers. If there's some way that I can help Alex and he helps me, that's the way we've been. We've been in this business for a long time, and our main goal is basically his main goal too is to take care of our customers because they take care of us like we take care of them.
That's right.
But that's about it, right, Alex?
That's it.
What else?
Well, that's it.
Good. All right, we're out of here.